Hello, this video is about the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for 1916. But as you can see, no Nobel Prize was awarded this year. The prize money was allocated to the special fund of the prize section, so it could be used in the other year. Has it happened more often? Yes, it has. It happened in 1916, but also in 1917, 1918, 1924, 1933, 1940, 1941 and 1942, so that's 8 times. And the prize was also delayed for a year. It was in 1914, 1918, 1920, 1921, 1925, 1927, 1938, 1933 and 1944. So that's in total is that 9 times. And of course, if there is no Nobel Prize, there's also not an award ceremony speech and there's no Nobel Prize lecture. So no summaries of these for this year. And this is it.